Friends, I know you don't like this, but just imagine you find yourself trapped in the relentless grip of financial struggle and uncertainty. The mounting bills cast a shadow over your dreams, leaving them unfulfilled, and the weight of this burden threatens to stifle your hopes and aspirations. The constant question lingers in your mind: how do I break free from this cycle and manifest the abundance I truly deserve? Today, we invite you to embark on an extraordinary journey, a voyage into the realms of metaphysics, where hidden secrets and ancient wisdom await your discovery. Welcome to Manifesting Money with the Laws of Metaphysics. In this video, we dare to challenge conventional beliefs and guide you through the mysteries of metaphysical laws that govern the universe. But that's not all. We go beyond theory and dive deep into the realm of visualization, introducing you to a mind-altering exercise that will help you immerse yourself in the energy of abundance. Get ready to embark on a reflection exercise that will transform the way you perceive yourself and your relationship with money. And as if that wasn't enough, we unveiled the power of reprogramming your mind to change your very destiny, rewriting the patterns, beliefs, and limitations that have held you back from experiencing the wealth and prosperity you desire. Before we dive into this life-altering exploration, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you become part of a community that is ready to unlock their true potential and create a life of abundance. All right, let's get started. Let's begin by delving into the profound impact of a single sentence. In this groundbreaking practice, you will utter a carefully crafted sentence for 1 minute, channeling your intentions towards manifesting money. One such sentence could be, "I am a magnet for unlimited abundance, and I effortlessly attract wealth and prosperity into my life." Whether you choose to repeat the same sentence or craft a personalized affirmation is up to you. The key is to use words that resonate with you and evoke a strong sense of faith, abundance, and possibility. You can even mention the exact amount of money you desire to manifest, as this adds specificity to your intention. Friends, you need to repeat this sentence on a daily basis. By vocalizing the affirmation aloud, you engage multiple senses and reinforce the message within your mind. It strengthens the connection between your conscious and subconscious mind, enabling a greater alignment with your goals. You may ask when to say this. I tell you, repeating the sentence in the morning upon waking and just before sleep is strategic. These moments are when your subconscious mind is more receptive to suggestion and when your brainwaves are in a more relaxed state, making the programming more effective. It sets the tone for the day ahead and plants the seeds for manifestation during your sleeping state. Remember, consistency and belief are key. Embrace the practice of repeating your chosen affirmations with conviction and expect to see positive shifts in your mindset, actions, and ultimately, your financial reality. Why is this practice so potent? It all ties back to the concept that wealth and money must be imprinted deep within your subconscious mind. By repeatedly affirming this sentence, you create an unbreakable connection between your consciousness and the abundance you seek. As we explore the realms of metaphysics and the wisdom encapsulated in the Emerald Tablet, we unlock a remarkable truth. What is within reflects externally. The laws of metaphysics teach us that our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape our reality, including our financial circumstances. One shining example of the power of this technique is renowned teacher and author Conny Mendez. Through her teachings, she has guided countless students along the path of financial success using this very practice. These individuals have witnessed remarkable transformations in their lives, experiencing newfound wealth and abundance. In this segment, we will talk about visualizing abundance, a reflection exercise that can transform your mindset and attract positive results. In this exercise, we'll explore how a simple shift in our perspective can lead to profound changes in our lives. Reflection can be a powerful tool for personal growth, and it all begins with changing ourselves. By consciously directing our thoughts and emotions, we can create a shift towards abundance and attract the prosperity we desire. So, let's start this exercise by finding a quiet place free from distractions. Whether it's under a tree or in a cozy corner of your home, creating a calm and tranquil environment is essential for success. As you settle into your serene space, imagine yourself having an abundance of money. Visualize it as vividly as possible. See yourself surrounded by wealth, feeling the joy and freedom it brings. Visualize yourself walking confidently into a beautiful house filled with luxurious furnishings and decorations. Feel the excitement and gratitude of owning such a magnificent property. Embrace a deep sense of gratitude for the abundance that flows into your life. Feel the appreciation for every dollar earned, every opportunity that presents itself, and every experience that contributes to your financial success. Now, it's time to harness the power of affirmation. Repeat the 2 biblical words "I am" out loud 10 times. These simple words carry immense strength, helping shape your identity and attract the desired results. Say out loud, "I am abundant. I am attracting wealth and prosperity into my life." Feel the conviction and belief in these affirmations. Friends, you must have started believing by now that you could alter the course of your life. Well, the truth is, we have the incredible ability to change our destiny by changing our programming. And it all begins with understanding the inner workings of our mind. Let's imagine 2 individuals facing similar challenges. One remains trapped in a cycle of negativity and self-doubt, while the other breaks free, embracing a path of growth and success. What sets them apart? It's their programming, the deeply ingrained thoughts and beliefs that shape their perception of the world. Our minds are incredibly active, constantly generating thoughts. In fact, research suggests that we have over 80,000 thoughts per day. However, here's the fascinating part. Approximately 98% of these thoughts are unconscious and unaware to us. Imagine the possibilities that open up when we become mindful of these unconscious thoughts. By bringing awareness to them, we gain the power to reprogram our minds and design a new course for our lives. Reprogramming the mind starts by consciously choosing empowering thoughts and beliefs. As explained, by practicing positive affirmations such as "I am capable," "I am worthy of success," or "I am deserving of abundance," we can rewrite our internal script and shift our destiny. As we consistently repeat these affirmations and immerse ourselves in the energy they create, we begin to rewire our minds, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. And that's a wrap for our video on reprogramming the mind to change your destiny. We've discovered some incredible insights that can shape your financial success and transform your life. Take inspiration from Conny Mendez and her successful students who have experienced the power of this reprogramming technique firsthand. Their stories serve as a reminder that anyone can achieve financial abundance by changing their mindset. It's important to understand that external factors such as the government or the economy cannot limit your financial success. By believing in your own abilities and trusting in the process of manifestation, you can overcome any perceived obstacles and attract the wealth you desire. We've explored the concept of reprogramming the mind to change your destiny. By consistently practicing empowering affirmations for just 60 seconds before bed, you can start witnessing remarkable results in as little as 7 days. If you found this video helpful and informative, we'd be delighted if you could show your support. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. By joining our community, you'll stay updated on our latest content that will continue to empower and inspire you. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences on reprogramming the mind and manifesting financial success. Share your insights and questions in the comments section below, and let's continue this empowering conversation together. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of your mind, keep visualizing, and keep manifesting. Thank you for watching, and may your journey be filled with abundance and joy.